Hello everyone, this is Michael with National Bus. You can reach us at 1-800-475-1439 or visit us online at www.nationalbus.com. And today, I've got this 2019 Bluebird Vision 71 passenger for you. We actually have two of these available, and this video will represent both units, so as always, please verify exact options and condition with your salesperson. These are the Southern buses that everybody looks for, equipped with gas engines and hydraulic brakes. A lot of people ask about hydraulic brakes on full-size school buses because most are air brakes, and one of the biggest benefits is how much more approachable they can be for certain operations. They're simple to drive, easy to work into a fleet, and can make driver staffing easier as well, since you don't need a driver with an air brake endorsement on their license. One of these units is sitting right around the 50,000 mile mark, and the other is sitting around the 30,000 miles, so both are relatively low mile units with plenty of service life left ahead of them. Around the exterior, you've got full tint all the way around, black wheels to match, the white roof, LED lighting, and only minor exterior recon needed, which is exactly what most buyers are looking for. Moving inside, the passenger seats in this unit all looked excellent to me. I didn't notice any real issues with the vinyl. The floor is in good condition. You've got lights and speakers in the roof rails, and as a standout feature here from the factory, you have front and rear AC. That's still pretty rare on a full-size school bus, and if you're moving passengers in warmer climates, it's a feature that they will appreciate every single trip. Combining the full tint and factory AC, this bus creates a passenger compartment that's noticeably more comfortable than traditional school bus configurations. No matter what you're using these buses for, these comfort features really do make a difference. Up front, the driver's area is in excellent condition. You've got a comfortable high back driver's seat with dual armrests, where you usually only get one, along with adjustable pedals, powered and heated outside mirrors, cruise control, a built-in PA system, acoustic ceiling panels up front to help keep noise levels down, the exterior light check feature, and the light and easy-to-use manual entry door, which means one less complicated maintenance item to worry about down the road. So overall, these are low-mile Southern buses with factory AC already installed, clean interiors, and a combination of features that can be difficult to find altogether in a full-size school bus. And as always, we can customize these buses directly to your needs, whether that's additional storage solutions, lettering, graphics, or anything from simple upgrades all the way to full-body wraps before you take delivery. So if one of these 2019 Bluebird Visions is of interest to you, or if you have any other transportation needs from school buses to shuttles, passenger vans, activity buses, motor coaches, or our ultra coach liner and newer pre-owned conditions, then please do feel free to reach out at 1-800-475-1439 or visit us at www.nationalbus.com so we can find out how best we can be of service to you. Till then, thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you again soon.